In today's watercolor tip video, I'm going to show you how you can take some brushes that are a little more worn and don't quite hold their point anymore, and how we can reshape them to get them nice and pointy again. Now for this, I'm using the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preservative. Now you could use this product to wash your brushes as well, but I prefer another product for that. Where this product actually shines, I find, is reshaping our brushes. So all we're going to do is get our brush nice and wet. This is just some clean water here, and I'm just going to drag off any excess water. And then all I'm going to do is just swirl this brush right in here. And then I just try to roll my brush to recreate that tip. And you can even take your hands and help your brush come into that tip shape. And once you're happy with how your brush is shaped, I just leave it like this. I usually let it dry overnight. I don't rinse this out at this point. I go ahead and let it dry overnight. So I just wanted to show you what my brushes look like once I've left them overnight. And as you can see, they have a nice sharp point now. And before you use these for any of your paintings, you do want to go and rinse that preservative out of them. So I just go ahead in my jar of water and just kind of swirl it around a little bit and just rinse it out. And then I kind of just take any extra water off of it, and you can see how it's got like a nice sharp point, and it will stay like that for a while. And then once you use it through your paintings again, you may need to freshen it up again, but this is one way to keep your brushes lasting for years and years, because I've had a lot of these silver black velvet brushes for years, and once I do this, they come back like they're brand new. So these brushes do last quite a while. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful for you, and let me know if you have any other tips that you'd like to see coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.